In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your repository and how to add the repository to your team. So we are supposing that you have already followed the previous video where we show you how to create your team and how to invite team members So the first thing is to come back here to data science competitions, and then you are supposing you're in team 2. So we go to team 2, and then to repositories here, you see the button to add a repository, but you can only add a repository here if you already created it. So what we're going to do is we're going to first create the repository before we come and add it to our team. So we will go back to data science, competitions, Github Organization, and then we'll go to repositories here, and we are going to take new repository. Okay. So we are creating our repository. We are creating our repository from a template. We ensure that we always select the template, this Kaggle competitions template, to create our repository from. Alternatively, we can open this Kaggle competitions template here, and then just choose to use this template here. It's going to come back to the same interface here. Ensure we choose to the owner of this repository to be data science competitions. So we're going to be creating repositories for every single competition. So supposing, for example, that we are creating a repository for the Titanic competition, we're going to give you a format on how you're going to name your repository. So it's going to be something like this: Titanic in lowercase, hyphen TN002. This is your team number. Given that we're going to be having Titanic different repositories for different teams, it's important for us to include our team in the name. So it's going to be Titanic hyphen TN002, everything in lowercase. Then we ensure that the repository is public. You can add a description with respect to the competition, and then we click on create a repository from template. Okay, the repository has been created under the data science competitions organization. The next thing that we're going to do is to add this repository to our team. So again, we go to data science competition, and then we click on teams here, and we choose our team TN002, and we move to the repositories tab, and now we can then add Titanic TN002 repository to our team. Okay, so that's it. This is how you create your repository and how you add it to your team.